Hi friends, welcome to Tech Talks. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Today I will discuss Microsoft Azure in detail. We will walk through cloud introduction, deployment model and service model. Microsoft Azure is a trending technology. I will explain this technology in chapter wise. Cloud introduction. Cloud computing is the on demand delivery of compute power, database, storage, applications, and other IT resources via Internet with pay as you go pricing. Pay as you go model and lower your operating cost. Quick infrastructure setup, more focus on business logic. Microsoft support team will be available to troubleshoot the resources if anything. Let's see cloud computing in detail. There are two types of models in cloud computing. One is deployment model and one is service model. Let's see deployment model first. Public cloud computing services offered by third party providers over the public network. Gmail is the public cloud provided by Google. Office 365 is public cloud provided by Microsoft. Dropbox is public cloud service. Gmail, Office 365 and Dropbox. These are the public cloud services we are using in our daily life. Let's see private cloud in detail. Private cloud we can call it as internal or corporate cloud. Computing services offered by third party providers are hosted on premises over the private network. Here noted point is company IT department is held responsible for this cost and accountability of managing the private cloud. Advantage of private cloud. Sensitive data is not accessible to third party providers and external users. So company portals we can keep it secure. Let's see hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is the combination of public cloud and private cloud. Hybrid cloud will have both public cloud and private cloud functionalities. That is the advantage of hybrid cloud. Top 5 hybrid cloud providers: Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Cisco, NetApp. Let's see service models in detail. Most common words in cloud computing are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. This is the shortcut form. Let's see each service in detail. First, infrastructure as a service. In infrastructure as a service model, cloud service provider will take care data center, storage and network, physical servers and virtualization related. Let's see platform as a service in detail. In platform as a service, we can see that data center, storage networks, physical servers, virtualization, operating systems, databases. These will be taken care by cloud service provider in platform as a service. Let's see software as a service in detail. In software as a service, we can see that data center, storage and network, physical servers, virtualization, operating systems, databases and application. So these will be taken care by cloud service provider. No need to worry about applications, databases, operating systems, virtualization management here. portal.azure.com is the website to access to the Azure cloud. Here we need to log into Azure cloud with our Microsoft account, and this is the web page. When we log into Azure cloud, we can see that here Azure free trial is available. Access student benefits also, we can see that here. Manage Azure Active Directory once we log into that Azure portal. So this is the initial step to access to Microsoft Azure cloud. We will go in detail in next chapter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Tech Talks. Please like, share and comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.